I practice in Toronto with the law firm of Greenspan Humphrey Levine. I am in my 6th year of practice and I am a Windsor grad, class of 2003. Well, I can tell you that the Charter has a massive impact on our practice day to day. Every case that comes into our office is scrutinized against the Charter. We look at every aspect, so starting with the investigative stage when the police are investigating a suspect, which may or may not turn out to be our client, but so starting with the investigative stage through to interrogation, arrest, and it also follows through the court process. So I would say that the Charter is something that we apply throughout the criminal justice process. And I think what's important to say is that as defense counsel, we have to be vigilant. Number one, to know the law, know the jurisprudence in the area of Charter issues, be able to look at a case and identify what Charter issues are there, and then, of course, present those issues to a court to determine whether, in fact, somebody's Charter rights have been breached, and if they have, persuade a court that there is a remedy that's appropriate and should be applied. So I would say it's an enormous responsibility and an enormous duty that's placed on the shoulders of defense counsel. What I would start off by saying is that the public, people who are maybe unsophisticated in criminal law or unsophisticated in the law generally, often look at Charter cases, cases where either evidence has been excluded or charges have been stayed, and often will comment that it was a technicality, that this person got off on a technicality. And what's important, I think, to remember is that every person's Charter rights has, protecting every person's Charter rights has a broader impact on society more generally. And the state, as we all know, has immense power. And the Charter is the mechanism to control that power and curtail it and ensure that it's exercised responsibly. And if we don't enforce constitutional rights at every opportunity, we run the risk that the state will step over the line and abuse their power, and to the detriment of not only one accused, but society more generally.